Привет, and welcome to my channel RussianMatreshka. And today I'm gonna present to you top 10 Russian words that starts with the letter P. Letter P. In the old Church Slavonic alphabet, letter P meant покой, which kind of meant to chill. Покой. Just like a lot of Cyrillic letters, letter P is based on the Greek letter P. Let's continue with our top 10 Russian words that start with that letter. Number one is preposition po. Po can be used in these three variations: along, according to, and around. So let's look at three examples. Along. Идти по улице. To walk along the street. Идти по улице. Again, remember this interesting pronunciation rule with letter O. Every time letter O is not stressed, we say a. In this case, this preposition takes a little spot in the sentence. We are stressing идти and улицы. So по is kind of like in between, so that's why it's not stressed. Идти по улице. Second example, все идет по плану. Like everything is going according to the plan. Very good Russian phrase to learn. And the last one, гулять по городу, to walk around the town. In this case, it's around. All right, moving on to word number two. Word number two is первый. Первый means first. I had a different example prepared, but I decided to change it. Первый поцелуй. A first kiss. Первый поцелуй. Moving on to word number three is an adverb. An adverb that is потом. Потом has a meaning next or then. For example, он был дома, потом он пошел на работу. He was at home and then he went to work. Moving on, word number four. Word number four is another preposition. A lot of prepositions here. Под. Под means under. For example, под мостом, under bridge. Под мостом. Word number five. We made it to the middle of the list. It's an adverb. После. After. For example, после работы мы идем в бар. After work, we're going to the bar. Word number six is a question word. Very handy. Почему? Why? Почему? There are so many examples we can have with this one. For example, почему погода такая плохая? Why the weather is so bad? Word number seven, another preposition. Перед. And this one has two meanings. In front of or before. For example, перед зданием. In front of a building. And before, перед соревнованием. Before your competition. Before a competition. Word number eight. It's five. Пять. Пять. Word number nine. Word number nine is писать. Писать means to write. For example, писать письмо, to write a letter. And how convenient! Word number 10 is письмо. So we can use this as an example. Писать письмо, to write a letter. Well, let's review real quick all the 10 wonderful words that we learned today. Word number one, по. Word number two, первый. Word number three, потом. Word number four, под. Word number five, после. Word number six, почему. Word number seven, перед. Word number eight, пять. Word number nine, писать. And word number 10, письмо. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell. Also, if you like this content, share with your friends and also leave me some feedback, leave me some comments so we can spread this joy of learning the Russian language. Let's spread Russian language love to the whole YouTube universe. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching me today and learning 10 words that start with the letter P. I'll see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока-пока. Bye!